Thinking of relocating to Barcelona? Whether you're moving for work, study, or just a fresh start, making the transition internationally can be daunting, but with the right moving company, you can make it seamless and stress-free. Let's dive into everything you need to know about hiring a top-rated Barcelona international moving company. Barcelona is one of the most beautiful cities in Spain, known for its Mediterranean climate, rich culture, and vibrant expat community. But moving here isn't as simple as booking a flight. It takes careful planning and understanding the costs involved. International moving rates depend on several factors, including the destination, the size of your home, and the services you require. Here's an example of what you might expect to pay when moving to and from Barcelona. For example, a 2-bedroom apartment moving from Barcelona to Abu Dhabi might cost between $2,541 and $2,862. Moving to British Columbia, Canada can range from $4,236 to $4,772 for a 2-bedroom, and moving to cities like Moscow or Dublin is typically more affordable, starting as low as $721. Moving abroad, here are some helpful tips to ensure your international relocation goes as smoothly as possible. Visa application. Apply for your visa well in advance. Depending on your nationality, it could take several weeks to process. Document preparation. Gather important documents like birth certificates, social security cards, insurance details, and more. Make sure to keep copies of each for easy access. Research moving companies. Take time to research companies, check their services, and read reviews to find the best match. Declutter. The less you need to move, the cheaper it will be. Start by donating or selling items you don't need. Now let's talk about container shipping. If you're moving large quantities of household goods, you'll likely need a full container. Here are some typical costs. A 20-foot container costs around $755. A 40-foot container is priced at $815. If you're moving a smaller load, you may consider LCL shipping, less than container load, which is more affordable for partial shipments. Moving internationally involves more than just shipping costs. Keep in mind these additional expenses. Shipping insurance. While most shipping companies include insurance in their quote, it's important to confirm you're covered for any damages during transit. Customs duty fees. When importing goods into Spain, you may need to pay customs fees. These depend on the value of your items. Storage fees. If your new home isn't ready yet, you might need to pay for storage. Remember, the key to a successful international move is planning ahead. Whether you're moving to Barcelona or from Barcelona to anywhere in the world, 3 Movers is here to provide top-rated, reliable, and affordable moving services. Ready to start your move? Get a free quote today. At 3 Movers, we make the process simple and transparent. Just fill out our online form or call us at 1-888-202-0036. Don't let the stress of moving overwhelm you. Let the professionals handle the details so you can focus on enjoying your new adventure.